The last bit of our lesson today is about how to use the greatest common factor with the distributive property. So let's look at this example. It says express 12 and 20 as a product of the greatest common factor of the numbers and another sum. All that means is that we're going to find the greatest common factor that 12 and 20 share. This shows using method 1, circling what's in common, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. So the greatest common factor of both these numbers is 4. Now we're going to take this 4 and we're going to use it in the distributive property. So on this page, it shows you that 12 plus 20 could also be represented with the distributive property of 4, its greatest common factor, times 3 and plus 4 times 5. Because remember, 12 is 4 times 3 and 20 is 4 times 5. So if we're adding 12 and 20, or 4 times 3 plus 4 times 5, we could just write it as 4 parentheses 3 plus 5 when we're distributing that 4 to both 3 and 5. As the textbook says, another way we can look at it is noticing it on a number line. So 12 plus 20 is a jump of 12 plus a jump of 20. A jump of 12 plus a jump of 20. 12 and 20 to end up at 32. In the distributive property, 4 times 3 plus 5 is 4 jumps of 3 plus 5. So 4 jumps of 3. So here's 3, 3 once, 3 twice, 3 3 times, 3 4 times, alongside 4 jumps of 5. 5 once, 5 twice, 5 3 times, 5 4 times. In both of these number lines, we end up at 32. That's the purpose of finding the greatest common factor and using it in the distributive property. It's another way to represent this same equation of 12 plus 20. That might make more sense to you. With that notes, I want you to go ahead and try to do numbers 11 through 14. In 11, you're listing out the factors. In 12 through 14, you're just writing the equations. Don't look too carefully. I don't want you to just copy. Do your best, and thank you for learning today.